Hello, welcome to today's lecture. We have a message from Lantos today from 6 years ago in which he spoke about the great star of Genesis and everything that we're doing to bring it into being. And of course, right now what we are doing is we are getting those singing seed fountains. Those need to go out everywhere. They need to go to every home because they have such a dramatic impact on strengthening the initial rotations of creation around the world, strengthening the world mother seed at this time. This is what is needed to help rid the world of negativity. This is what is needed to strengthen initial rotations and to help bring forth that golden form of creation, the great star of Genesis. Here is the message from Lantos. Greetings, dear ones. The development of a great new object of light is cause for a cosmic celebration. The process of the development of the beloved global network of the light of Genesis is cause for celebration on a grand scale, on a great universal scale. We are in the process of forming a mighty new body of light, a new body of light with which to house the coming mighty form of light, the mighty great star of Genesis. Yes. A great body of light is required in order to house, in order to support the residents of the mighty new form. We are constructing a great body of light. It is like a formation of a great new planet. This vast change marks the formation of a planet which will support a new range of life, new expressions of living. It is highly significant. It is on the scale of the shifting of one of the outer planets in our system, enabling the planet to support human life. It would be a great new development for that world. In order for that change to be possible, there would be a need for a great shift to occur in the quality of the environment. It is not merely an abstract change. In order for the necessary shift to occur on the level of the environment, first, there would need to be a shift on the level of the substance of the planet. The substance of the planet must be conducive to the new quality of environment. The substance must be capable of supporting the new environment. Like this, our world of Earth, is in the process of forming a great new environment. And likewise, in order for this vast change to occur, the change must also be expressed and upheld on the physical level of the earth, on the level of the lands and the waters of earth. It is a holistic change. Change is not isolated to a single level, to a single layer of existence. Change permeates the layers of life. One layer impacts another. Change is reflected and upheld on all layers nearly simultaneously. Nearly simultaneously. Yes. We are in the process of constructing a great change, one whose effects will be felt universally. This change will be felt universally. Our actions are very significant. Each action on the level of the placement of the tools in the specific locations, actions on the level of the support of this process. All action, each action is highly significant. All action of support is highly significant at this time. It is time to complete the process. Time to complete the process. Very good. Very good. Many blessings. So we see, and this is something that we have seen since 1999 when Lantos first introduced the tools of biogenesis. And I've brought this up to you time and again. Every time you use one of the tools, even just for the smallest thing for yourself, doing the shield and flame technique each day, for example, holding the wand for stress, every time you use a tool, you strengthen the amount of the light of Genesis on Earth. It's just a small increase, but that increase is important. Every time you use one of the tools, you increase the light on Earth. But, as we see from this message, Your actions, now every thought you have, every action you take is significant, but the actions you take in support of this golden form, the great star of Genesis, the actions you take in support of the great star of Genesis, these actions are highly significant. This is why Lantos repeatedly said this at the end of the message, when he said, all actions of support, highly significant at this time. All action of support is highly significant at this time. So we see how important our actions are. And right now, what Master Teacher Todt has given us, the blessings of this summertime, the blessings of the July conference, the whisper of the seeds for your own personal benefit at home, the singing seed fountain for tremendous benefit of everyone living at the home, but also for everyone on the planet, for the planet itself, for the golden form, for the great star of Genesis. This is why our actions take on added significance when our actions are tailored to the formation of the great star of Genesis. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday.